Hey, hi student. So today's our point is genetic terminologies. So these are genetic terminologies. Term means definitions in short. So the first one is character. So what is character? It is a specific feature of an organism. Okay, एखाद्या ऑर्गॅनिझमचं किंवा एखाद्या प्लांटचं किंवा एखाद्या ॲनिमलचं असणारं एक वैशिष्ट्य. ओके, दॅट इज कॅरेक्टर. सो कॅरेक्टर इज अ स्पेसिफिक फीचर ऑफ an organism. For example, height of stem. So height of stem is a character of that particular plant. So Mendel's 7 pairs of contrasting characters हा पॉइंट आपण ह्याच्या अगोदर बघितलेला आहे. सो ती सातही कॅरेक्टर्स जी आहे त्याच्यापैकी कुठचंही कॅरेक्टर तुम्ही फॉर एक्झाम्पल म्हणून इथे लिहू शकता. सो वी आर रिकॉलिंग दिस कॅरेक्टर्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हाईट ऑफ स्टेम जे आपण इथे दिलेलं आहे. सेकंड वन पॉड कलर, पॉड शेप. नेक्स्ट सीड कलर, सीड शेप. अँड लास्ट फ्लावर पोझिशन अँड फ्लावर कलर. सो टोटल सात कॅरेक्टर्स झाली. ही 7 कॅरेक्टर्स जी आहे त्याच्यापैकी कुठचंही एक एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही इथे लिहू शकता. सो व्हॉट इज कॅरेक्टर? सो इट इज अ स्पेसिफिक फीचर ऑफ अन ऑर्गॅनिझम. Second definition is trait. So it is an inherited character. What is trait? It is an inherited character. Inherited means what? That character is passes from one generation to the next generation. So this is an inherited character and its detectable variant. Detectable means आपण आपल्याला जो डिटेक्ट होणार आहे, डिटेक्टेबल व्हेरियंट. दॅट इज एक्झाम्पल टॉल और डॉर्क. कारण आपण एक्झाम्पल घेतलेलं आहे हाईट ऑफ स्टेम. सो हाईट ऑफ स्टेम मध्ये आपण 2 कॅरेक्टर बघितलेले, डॉमिनंट अँड रिसेसिव्ह. सो इथे दोन्ही कॅरेक्टर दिलेली आहे. डॉमिनंट इज अ टॉल and it is defined by capital T gene. Darkness is defined by small t gene. Right? So ही जी दोन्ही कॅरेक्टर आहे that are detectable variant of that particular character, height of stem. Okay? Now next one is a factor. So factor is considered as unit of heredity. So what is factor? Factor is a unit of heredity and it is particle which is present in organism. Factor is a particle which is present in organism and which is responsible for inheritance and expression of character. Okay, so the term is called as factor. Factor is considered as unit of heredity because it passes from one generation to next generation. That is inheritance, which is responsible for, असं आपण म्हटलं, which is responsible for inheritance. Inheritance means transmission of character from one generation to another generation. Responsible for inheritance and expression of character. So the condition or the term is called as factor, which is a particle present in an organism. So the next definition is gene. Now gene is nothing but segment of DNA or pointed structure present on chromosome which is also responsible for inheritance and expression of character. So there is not differentiation between factor and gene. So factor is also considered as gene and gene is also considered as factor because the function of gene and factor is same, that is inheritance and expression of character. Okay? Now याच्या अगोदरच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण बघितलेलं होतं द टर्म जीन. टर्म जीन इज फर्स्ट टाइम कॉइन्ड बाय सायंटिस्ट जॉन्सन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज एलील्स अँड एलिलोमॉर्फ. सो एलील is the short form of allelomorph. So actual definition नाम क्या है? Allelomorphs. Okay, and the short form of allelomorphs is alleles. Okay, so what is allele? It is 2 or more alternative form of a single gene is called as allele. Okay, again 2 or more alternative forms of a single gene or a given gene is called as, gene means factor. आपण in bracket factor लिहिलेला आहे, that is gene. Okay, so given gene are called as alleles. Okay, they occupies identical loci on a homologous chromosome. So याची प्रॉपर्टी काय आहे? They occupies identical loci on homologous chromosome. Now what is homologous chromosome? The chromosomes which are morphologically and structurally similar, these chromosomes are called as homologous chromosomes. So alleles occupies same loci on homologous chromosome.